This is a 2019 Premier 230 Solaris PTX Pontoon. Has the 30-inch diameter center log. Lots of upgrades. Went with a custom playpen cover. Preferred it over the original factory playpen cover. Ski tow bar. 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke, of course, stainless steel prop, ricochet boarding ladder, upgraded vinyl flooring, upgraded upholstery, upgraded stereo. Truly a nice boat. Take note of the custom teak table. Upholstery in great condition. Of course, with the Pontoon, it gives you the floor storage in the center log. 2 captain's chairs, very comfortable. 2 large loungers in the back, center gate astern, easy access to the boarding ladder. JL audio, stereo, Garmin GPS upgrade. Truly a nice boat.